Everybody alive is hungry for love, warmth, and acceptance. They want to come into a house where the door is always open and there's a big bowl of fruit in the middle. And when you eat 9 grapefruits in one, they say, boy, you owe me a meal next week. They don't want that. They don't want any deals. Everybody wants true love. And I need $10. 10 is 110. Solve your problem. I said, I'll pay you back whenever you can. The guy walks out. That's what everybody wants. Everybody wants total trust, total freedom, total belief, total devotion to one another, but nobody has been conditioned to give it. Wait a while. Last Christmas I got you a $200 watch and you brought me a $50 calendar. What kind of Christmas present is that? So since people compare values, well, how do you share in a world where there's different stations, different levels?